If you are a 24, 25, 26 batch pass out, then you don't want to miss this opportunity. In today's video, I will be sharing off-campus hiring from SAP for Java full stack for a high package. So watch this video completely. I will be also sharing placement material to prepare for SAP. Okay. Before starting, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement, then do subscribe because I share regular off-campus updates plus placement material for free, which can be very helpful for you guys. Okay. And at last, I'll share one more hiring. Let's start. So SAP is hiring for developer associate. The role will be Java full stack. Work location will be Bangalore. And for this role, you should be BTech, ME, MTech, full time in computer science or related field from प्रीमियर यूनिवर्सिटी क्लास ऑफ 24 और लेटर, मतलब 24 के और उसके बाद के लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. You should have a strong academic record and solid foundation in computer science fundamentals, data structure, algorithm and oops. तो आप अच्छे होने चाहिए data structure and CS fundamental subjects के लिए. So don't worry, I'll share all the resources related to CS fundamentals and oops and DSA. Okay. Familiarity with Java basics, knowledge of web application development, exposure to frameworks such as Spring, REST API or ORM is a plus. Basic understanding of front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular is an advantage. So बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. अगर आप 24 से 26 बैच पास आउट हैं तो आप जरूर अप्लाई करना. ओके, नाउ यू नीड रिसोर्सेज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको एक ATS फ्रेंडली रिज्यूमे टेम्पलेट चाहिए, ठीक है, एंड उसको एडिट करो अकॉर्डिंग टू द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो हेयर आई हैव अटैच्ड ATS फ्रेंडली रिज्यूमे टेम्पलेट, one column based and two column based. This is on a overleaf, you can edit there directly. So what you have to do, you have to extract all the job description, paste it on chat GPT and take out the keywords which can be very helpful in your resume. So put those keywords in your resume, like in a skill section, in project section, in work experience sections. Then your resume will be easily selected by ATS, application tracking system. Okay, now they have told that you should be good in CS fundamental. So here you will get all the CS fundamental interview questions like OOPS, DBMS, operating system, computer network, and software engineering, SQL, on all other tech stack. Also here you will get Java full stack interview questions. Here you will get interview questions. Also, if you want to be a Java developer, here I have added roadmap for Java developer with the all the resources with important playlist and everything you will get here for free. So check out all these resources and prepare for this role. Before applying, you have to like optimize your profile and then apply, because ऐसे ही अप्लाई करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. पहले प्रोफाइल आप अपनी ऑप्टिमाइज कर लो एंड देन अप्लाई करना, ठीक है. इस रोड में आपको पूरा फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू एंड सारे रिसोर्सेज के साथ सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. तो एक हायरिंग और है एसेंचर की तरफ, ये मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में शेयर करूंगा. अगर आपको अभी ही चाहिए, अभी अप्लाई करना है, तो आप कमेंट करो एसेंचर, आई विल शेयर विद यू गाइस. इफ दिस वीडियो वाज हेल्पफुल, do like and subscribe, and yes, comment to motivate me for more opportunities. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.